Hello, my name is Jochen Kronemeyer from company Dspecialists, and we are the manufacturer of HARVEY, and we are presenting here at the ISE in Amsterdam new components and software for our HARVEY audio matrix, which is also capable to control light and media controllers. The first innovation I would like to show is a remote control. It's on the right and left side. We can adjust audio levels, we can select between different presets in customer-specific applications, can be freely programmed, and it can run synchronously with the other one here. So if you have a big hall, you have two IP-based remotes running synchronously doing the same. You can also configure your system via IP, and it's pretty easy to switch with the IP pad between different scenarios. And it is exactly the same effect you get with a push-button solution of the remotes. It depends on the customer application whether it should be a fixed installed IP-based remote or whether it's on the tablet. If we go over to the place here, I want to show you HYPERMATRIX. HYPERMATRIX is a software which allows you to program devices cooperating together, and you see here in the displays we have three HARVEYs working as one HYPERMATRIX, and each HARVEY knows exactly who his partners are in this installation and with whom he is interacting. The audio channels are routed in time so that audio and control arrives in time precisely as it would be just one device. On this wall we tried to visualize a little bit the user interface. So we have here three remotes interacting together, and this remote here is our new product. It is the RC-12, also IP-based, PoE-driven, and with the RC-12 I can select presets and I can select sources here, and I can also adjust the sound level simply by pushing the buttons, and it allows you also to be programmed freely. If you look here, we have the control block with 12 general purpose outputs. By pushing the button I can trigger an event or select a source, whatever the customer wants in his application. This is it from Dspecialists. Thank you for your attention, and have a nice show